In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where OBS Studio is crashing on your computer. So whether the application is crashing when you try to start it up or is crashing during your streaming or recording, then there's actually a few things you can do to fix this. Now, the first step is to head over to your start menu and just search for settings and click on the settings window. From the left-hand side, select System, click on Display, and then scroll down to the bottom and click Graphics. Then from these list of applications, you need to locate OBS Studio, which is this one here. Click on it, select Options, and make sure you have High Performance selected and press Save. If you don't see OBS Studio in this list, then we can add it manually by scrolling to the top and clicking Browse. Double click on your C drive, scroll down and double click on Program Files, scroll down again until you see the OBS Studio folder and double click this. Double click on Bin, 64-bit, and then double click on OBS 64.exe, and once it's added to this list, then we can come back and just make sure high performance is selected. Now once you've done that, we're going to head over to the OBS shortcut on our desktop, right click on it, click on Properties, select Compatibility, and make sure Run this program as administrator is ticked, and then press Apply and OK, and then you can try loading up the application to see if that's fixed your issue. If it's still not working, we're going to head back over to the Start menu and this time search for Windows Defender, and then click on Windows Defender Firewall. From the left hand side, select Allow an Apple feature through Windows Defender Firewall, click on the Change Settings button, and once again we're going to scroll through this list until you see OBS Studio. Now if you can't see OBS in this list, then we'll need to click on Allow another app, click on Browse, click on your C drive, then come over and double click on Program Files, scroll down and click on the OBS Studio folder, inside of Bin, 64-bit, and then double click on OBS 64.exe, select Add, and once this application's been added, we need to check both private and public like this, and then select OK. Now once you've done that, once again you can check to see if that's resolved your issue. If it's still not working, then I'd recommend try uninstalling any plugins that you may have installed for OBS Studio, and if it still doesn't work after that, then you may just need to uninstall and reinstall the application. And that's it guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.